Does your engine sound like this? If so, here is the solution.
Hello tubers, and thank you for joining me today. First of all, I want to let you know the only auto diagnostic equipment I have consists of a couple of timing lights and a dwell meter, of which are of no use today. Now, the previous owner told me a new fuel pump was put in not long before I bought this Blazer. That is why I went for an electrical problem, starting with the distributor. So sit back, enjoy, and feel free to comment or subscribe at any time.
Now, to replace that distributor cap and rotor, these are the parts that I picked up. Just a generic brand. Not sure how good it'll work or won't work. This is what it looks like when it's clean. They come with the same torque screws that are in there. Here's your distributor cap. This is the brand that I'm using. The old rotor was all corroded right over here, and when I cleaned it up, it still wouldn't fire properly. So we'll give this a try, and we'll see how we make out. I've already taken this distributor cap and rotor off, cleaned it up to see if I could get it running. Didn't work out. These are the tools I used before to take it off and put it on. We have a T20 torque. I'll be able to get the front screw out with this. And because of the lack of height behind the distributor cap, I have to use this combination here to get the back screw off the distributor cap. And I also have this. I'm not sure if this will reach in. Okay. In addition to that, we have a ratchet, a screwdriver to help get the plug wires off. And that's about it. Now I'm going out to take that cap off. It's a cold day out there today. It's the only day I have off, so I'm forced to do it today. And we'll see how we make out with this new cap and rotor. Again, this is a Chevy Blazer 2000 4x4. The distributor, for those of you that might be tackling this the first time, is behind the engine, between the engine block and the firewall. It's down here. If I have a good view of this, you can see these spark plug wires, 3 on one side, 3 on the other. The screws we have to get out are, let's get a view of this. Back here, if you can see the screwdriver, this is the one that's a little difficult to get to, and the other is right up front. The reason for that short torque screw assembly is because that long T20 does not fit up and down in here. Anyway, I'm going to get started. I don't have a way to mount this camera while I'm doing this. So first job is to get these wires off. Mark them before you get them off, so you put them back in the correct order. You can see I have these marked from when I took them off the other day. And that'll be the least difficult part of doing this. The biggest problem with taking this on and off is this back screw right back here. You don't want to drop anything down there because you won't get it back. Anyway, see you in a while, and we'll have it running. Well, tubers, we got it running. That's what it was all along, was that distributor cap and the rotor. So for $45, I have my truck back. Just to let you know, the instructions on that distributor said to clear the air vents out. It was a GE shop warning or something or another. To clean the air vents out that are in the distributor cap, it helps the moisture. It helps to dissipate the moisture. I looked and I could not find those vents, either on this cap that I just installed or the cap that I pulled off. I'm going to have to put this truck up on these ramps right now, because when I cleaned it the first time, then I dropped the tool behind it. I drove up and down the driveway looking for that tool, and I couldn't find it. So hopefully I'll be able to reach it. If not, somebody will make out with a tool somewhere on the road. And what I'm looking for is this extension, the adapter, the bit, and the socket. That's what I dropped down behind the firewall and the distributor cap. And I didn't mention in the video previously, the 2 screws that hold the rotor down, the torque screws are number 15. So it was 20 torque, was a 20 torque for the distributor cap and a 15 torque for the rotor. And just give it a little more examination. If you can see in there we go, it doesn't look all that bad. I cannot find any cracks on this cap. I even tried cranking it at night, sprayed a little water on it even, trying to see if I could get any sparks out of it, but nothing. By eye, this cap looks like it's ready to go. As we can see, it wasn't. Besides being up on the ramps, it's going to be up on it's going to be charging. It sat for about a week. Today's January 1st. It was my only day off that I could work on it. A little cool out here. It's warming up now. It's almost 35 degrees. And while that's charging, I'll be sitting by the fireplace. I hope you find this video useful. If nothing else, entertaining. Give it a thumbs up, pass it along. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.